Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the three topics, 3 points of the computer basics. So in previous videos, previous classes, I have already told what is computers, right? Today we will discuss about benefits of computers, features of the computers, and limitation of the computers. Fine. So ready to start and write some points on your notes, because in the final maybe the question asked to you about these topics. So let's start the topics. In previous classes I have already told what is computers, right? I have already completed these points. Once again, to overview, so there is one topic, what is the design and structure of computers. So you have to write down this also topic, because this is the very important, one of the important topic. What is the design or structure, working structure of the computers. Every day-to-day life we see computers, laptop, but we don't know their structures or design. So in computer structures or design, there are basically 4 components, right? First is input unit, second is output unit, third one is, this is the CPU. So in CPU there are 3 categories of the CPU, means in CPU there are 3 different blocks where different tasks are mentioned, and fourth one unit is the memory unit. So input, output, memory unit and CPU. Basically CPU has 3 components. One is ALU, CU and register. You have to note down what is the full form of ALU. ALU means what? Arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit. Clear? So you have to write these full forms. Maybe they ask what is the full form of ALU, CU. So you should know about ALU stands for arithmetical logical unit. CU means control unit. Register is a one memory that used in the CPU. So once again we are going to discuss input unit, output unit and memory unit and CPU. For overall discussions, I am going to tell you input unit is what? Input unit just it takes the data from the user. Mainly what is the task of this unit is data taken. What is the mainly task of input unit is data taken and give to the CPU. CPU performs this data process. CPU process this data. After processing data, it shows the output. Output means what? It will show in the output unit devices like monitors, right, projectors, etc. And memory unit where we store the data permanently and temporary basis, where we store the data for the small time or for the long time. So these are the 4 basic components, basic structural components of the computer. Input units like keyboard, mouse. Examples I have in the previous videos we have already discussed what is the definition of computer. In definition of computer we already covered these 4 topics, because input unit takes the data from the keyboard, mouse and it give to the CPU. CPU process this data. After processing this data, CPU generate the output, a result, and that result is shown on the monitor. And data is permanently stored in memory unit like RAM, hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk. So I hope you know about the structural component of the computer, या design या structure of the computer. So this is the video for the design and structure of the computer. You have to write down